Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. Today we're going to replace these worn out nylon bits. You see how they don't quite come together anymore. I've mentioned before in earlier videos that as they wear down, you can take an X-Acto knife, take a torch to the blade, and just lay it on there and that will melt it flat again. Well, you can only do it so many times. And I've just decided I've got these in my drawer. I'm going to try to replace them. No, I've never done it before. I've always just bought new. Assuming they're the same. They look like they are. They don't have a hole for the screw, but we'll find out what's going on when we get this take apart. So you're going to need a tiny Phillips head screwdriver or whatever the screw is that is on your pliers. And we're going to go lefty-loosey. There. I have got brand new nylon jaw pliers. Yay! And I do notice that I pushed that in a little too far. Pull back on it a little bit. That one is fine. There you go, guys. That's how you replace worn out nylon jaws. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you stopping in and visiting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.